Hi, and welcome to the channel. I'm Jill. If this is your first time here, I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then please check out my other videos and think about becoming part of the family by hitting that subscribe button. So, you guys, I am so excited about this one because this is an open collaboration entertaining for the holidays 22. It's going to be November the 19th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's hosted by Marilyn at Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. Now, her co-hosts are the Grace Life Living DIY, At Home with Lisa, and myself, Jill Stiles. So, Marilyn just simply asked that you decorate a table or buffet for holiday entertaining. Now, you must be subscribed to all the host channels, use YouTube etiquette, meaning make sure you watch everybody's video, you guys, because if I take the time to watch your video, I would hope that you would do the same for me. So, I absolutely love the holidays because I love entertaining. I love having friends and family over. And you guys, I found out that my love for entertainment is my gift of hospitality, but that's a conversation for another time. So anyway, I've got my wheels going, and I hope you join. And I would ask what you're going to do, but I think I want to be surprised and wait and watch what you do with all the other participants. So again, it's November the 19th at 6 p.m. Eastern hashtag entertaining for the holidays 22. Please use that hashtag so that your video may be found and added to the playlist. Once again, I'll make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, I did not. So, I'll see you November the 19th at 6 p.m. You know how I like to close out. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.